As allied health students, you guys are really lucky because you have a really wonderful librarian. Barbara has put together so many great research guides that are really helpful even as distance students. You can find a lot of great search tips, research tips. Pretty much anything you need will be right on one of Barbara's research guides. And so I just want to bring your attention to a couple of really great guides that we have. First, we have the Barbara's Basic Guides. This guide is just pretty much everything that you might need to start searching. She just has this guide put together for all of her allied health students. It's a great way to just improve your research skills and learn a couple of new things. Next, we have the Sleep Medicine and Neurodiagnostics Research Guide, which is a guide of resources specifically related to sleep medicine. So everything in this guide was, carefully planned out, carefully put here. You can access books directly linked to the catalog. You can access journals. We have, I believe, so we have a feed that just updates with articles from PubMed, which is a really cool resource if you just want to see really quickly what's new on PubMed. You don't want to go through and create a search all on your own. We have a bunch of other stuff, streaming media, some point-of-care resources. We also have citation resources, and if you find yourself making a poster for any reason, we also have a lot of resources on poster design. And so the Distance Education Resources tab is something that you guys will probably find very useful. This contains all of the links that you will probably need for any of these resources. So it's important to remember that even as distance students, you still have access to things like UNC software acquisition. You can go to the ITS webpage and download a lot of software programs completely for free or discounted. And you still, of course, have access to your Onion and to your PID and to all of these resources that are still available to you. So if you're having trouble, I know it can be frustrating if you're not right on campus. You can talk to someone in person, but there are still plenty of ways to reach out and to get help for what you need.